Hello my dear students, today I will teach you about trigonometry. I think all of you have heard about trigonometry. Now what we are going to learn, basically what we do in trigonometry, we talk about the three sides and three angles of a triangle. So that mainly is covered in trigonometry when we are talking about the three sides, relationship between three sides and the three angles. You can give the name, like you can say more like I can say even relationship between three sides and three angles of a triangle. Now, how can we let us go with the basics of it first. Then you will go to the intermediate level of it, and then you will go to the advanced level of trigonometry. So, what is our first one? The basics. So, you have to study what will be the basics of trigonometry. So, what I'm going to teach you right now, I'll teach you first. Before understanding the basics of trigonometry, I want you to learn a right triangle carefully. Right triangle. All of you are very much aware of right triangles. Right triangles means one angle is right means 90 degree. So that triangle is called right triangle. Now, my dear children, I want to tell you one thing. I have this one triangle. I will call it ABC triangle. I'll take another triangle. I have taken A, B, C triangle, and if I'll take one more triangle, A, B, and C. Now, can you differentiate them? Are the same triangles with the same vertices? In all these three triangles, we have vertices A, B, and C. So I can call it triangle ABC. If I want to call it triangle ABC, I can call it. I can call the same triangle ABC. So what difference do you see here in all these three different figures? So you have to understand it. Now you'll go, where is the right angle in this triangle? At A. Where is the right angle in this triangle? Is at B. Where is the right angle in this triangle? Is at C. So you should know how to differentiate. Triangle ABC is right angled at A, and I'll say triangle ABC is right angled at B, and the same triangle ABC is right angled at C. So what now difference do we have got? We have got that right angle is here A, and now in a right triangle we talk about hypotenuse, and other two are called the legs of right triangle. Basically we call the legs of right triangle, and in the legs we will have the opposite side to a particular angle, and adjacent side of that particular angle. So these three words you have to learn when you will be learning about the right triangle. Now if my right angle is here at A, so the side opposite to right angle is always hypotenuse. So in this case, in this in this triangle, hypotenuse is BC. But if I will go to this triangle, so what I can see, hypotenuse becomes the side AC. Hypotenuse has become side AC. So if I want to differentiate here, hypotenuse has become this side. And if I'll go in the third one, what is the side opposite to 90-degree angle is BA. So my hypotenuse has become BA, and I can highlight it. This is my hypotenuse. Now the position of hypotenuse, if you will look at three triangles, means every time it is opposite to right angle, it is opposite to right angle, it is opposite to right angle. But you have to be careful about the angle, right angle. In this figure, right angle is at A. In this figure, right angle is at B. In this figure, right angle is at C. So what is the difference? Difference is the position of right angle in all these three triangles. Now I will now move forward. Suppose I'll talk about angle C here. So which side is opposite to angle C? So this side is opposite to angle C. And which side is opposite to angle B? If I'll talk about angle B, so angle B has this side opposite. So we have to be careful about the opposite sides as well before learning trigonometry. So that I will teach you again. Again we will make about the opposite and the adjacent side of a right triangle. I'll teach you now. Now again I will draw a right triangle. Okay. So I will make a right triangle now. Again I am making the same triangle. ABC is right angled at A. So of course my hypotenuse is the side opposite to angle A, that is my BC side. Hypotenuse will not be changed. Now I will change the, if I will talk about angle B, if I will talk about angle B, for angle B, and I will make two cases for angle C. Now what side is opposite to angle B? So opposite side for angle B is AC. So third side will be the adjacent side for angle B. Now if I will move towards angle C, so where is my angle C? So what is the side opposite to angle C? So for angle C, the opposite side is AB and adjacent side is AC. So now you understood hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent. So when we will learn trigonometry, so I will teach you very simple technique. You have to learn SOHCAHTOA. So these three words you have to learn. SOHCAHTOA. So because in trigonometry we talk about trigonometric ratios, we talk about the ratios, we will explain the angles in terms of sine, cos and tangent, and we will write them in the ratio of corresponding sides. Now S stands for sine. If I'll say sine of any angle, if I'll say sine of angle B, so it is going to be opposite divided by hypotenuse. So if I'll say cos of angle C, so again I will do adjacent divided by hypotenuse. If I want to find tan of angle B, so tan of angle B, I'll do opposite by adjacent. But you have to be very particular now. I'm talking about here. If I will talk about angle B, so angle B, for angle B, you will see the things for angle B. So you'll go back to your this part for angle B. What was opposite? Opposite side was AC divided by hypotenuse is always the side opposite to 90-degree angle. So my sine B has become AC divided by BC. If I want to get cos of C, so now you are going to deal with for angle C. For angle C, cos ka means C stands for cos, A stands for adjacent side, S stands for hypotenuse. This is called H hypotenuse, and O stands for opposite side, A stands for adjacent side. So adjacent side for angle C. So adjacent side for angle C is AC divided by hypotenuse is BC. Now tangent of, now I'll go with this third type of angle, tan of B. I will go with B. So what are opposite and adjacent for angle B? So I want to go with opposite for angle B. It will be AC. What is adjacent for angle B is AB. So AC divided by AB will become your tan of B. So you have to be very particular about, and if you do not want to write every time, so go to that particular angle. Here I want to go to B, so go to the B. And what side is opposite to B? That will become opposite O. And hypotenuse is always opposite to right angle, so third side will become your adjacent. I hope you understood it. So try practice.